Hello friends, I hope you are having a wonderful week so far. I am here to make sure that you know about the giveaway that is happening over on my Instagram page. Please excuse my voice. I've been struggling with allergies and losing my voice on and off all last week. So yes, I recently hit 10,000 subscribers on Instagram and Rapunzel has kindly agreed to sponsor a giveaway. So one lucky winner will receive the following items: a Striped Delight scarf with pink, blue, and plum, a coordinating constellation scarf in pink, a Dewdrop Sparkle scarf in teal, which also picks up that color in the scarf, and an exclusive silver sunburst pin. So one person will win all of these items. In order to be eligible, you need to be following both me and Rapunzel on Instagram, and you need to leave a comment on the giveaway post. I will leave a link in the description box below, but if you are interested, please go have a gander. Now, I promise the ones you'll be receiving are new. I didn't take all of them out of the packaging, so yes, so those are several of them my scarves, but I also this past week got a request from a viewer for a tutorial for a look that I hadn't done, and I didn't think that I had any looks that I had really photographed that I hadn't done tutorials for in one way or another. But I was wrong. In my very first Rapunzel photo shoot ever, really before I had an Instagram, I tried on what was then the not yet released mini Bobo, and they gave me a Striped Delights scarf to wrap over it, and this is the wrap that I did, and I never did a tutorial for it, which is very simple. It's basically just like a sheer tails with a twist, but it really works spectacularly with a Striped Delight scarf, including the one that you could possibly win. So here I am doing that tutorial for you all in the hopes that you will be enticed to go attempt to win this scarf for your very own. So I have my mini Bobo shaper on. I am going to put it on pretty unevenly, and like y'all know, sheer tails are always an exercise in trial and error. And I'm going to tie it, well, let me check the length. I think that's like the easiest bit short. I'm gonna give myself just smidgenette more. And I'm going to tie it so that my short end is coming out of the bottom here. Thusly. Okay, pull that up a little bit to make sure my shaper is covered. All right, so now I am going to bring this guy up and over. So one of the things about the Bobo that can make it a little bit more challenging to wrap initially is that you start bringing it over, and then once you start to get about here, funny things start happening to the fabric because the shape of the Bobo wants to make it go uneven. So the way that I did that in this shoot where, you know, you're there, it's kind of a time pressure thing. I have never wrapped, I had never wrapped with Striped Delights before. I had never wrapped over a shaper like this before. And I was just like, well, the fabric seems like it wants to twist. So we're just gonna do that. So that's all I did. I just gave it a couple little twists, and then I'm gonna reach around here, find my little pocket, and then pull my tail through, just like so. And that's it. That is the wrap. One of the first wraps that I ever did when I was being photographed by Rapunzel. It looks beautiful. I think the stripes, this would look great with a New York Brights. It would look great with a Crossroads scarf. But yeah, so here it is from the front, from the side, from the back, and the other side. So that's it. Quick tutorial this week. I will be back early next week with big news. So until then, that's a wrap for me. Thank you so much for watching.